H2AOD2I2. Becoming a leader involves developing a set of skills and qualities that enable you to inspire and guide others towards a common goal. Here are some steps you can take to become a leader. Develop self-awareness. Start by understanding your strengths, weaknesses, values, and beliefs. This self-awareness will help you identify what kind of leader you want to be and how you can make a positive impact. Gain knowledge and experience. Learn as much as you can about your industry, your company, and the people you work with. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions and understand the needs of those you lead.
Abu Dawud. Hadi. H2A0D2I2.
Build relationships. Strong relationships with colleagues, team members, and other stakeholders are critical for effective leadership. Focus on building trust, empathy, and respect with those you interact with. Communicate effectively. Communication is key to leadership. Develop your communication skills, including active listening, clear and concise speaking, and the ability to adapt your message to different audiences. Lead by example. Lead by example by demonstrating the values and behaviors that you expect from others. This includes being honest, transparent, and consistent in your actions and decisions. Develop emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. This is critical for building strong relationships, managing conflict, and making effective decisions. Embrace change. Leaders need to be adaptable and able to manage change. Embrace new challenges and opportunities, and be open to new ideas and ways of doing things. Continuously develop. Finally, effective leaders never stop learning and growing. Seek out new experiences, take courses, and seek feedback to continually develop your leadership skills and abilities.